Now, we're back to the Runnin' Rams Basketball Hour with Coach Jim Barron, presented by Rody Joe's Saloon, legendary food and drink, and 920 WHJJ.
Welcome back once again to Rody Joe's Saloon, the Runnin' Rams Basketball Hour. Rody Joe's Saloon, legendary food and drink. Great deals every night. 20-cent wings tonight. Terrific place to be on a Monday night. Find out what's going on at Rody Joe's by following them on Facebook at facebook.com/Rody Joe's Saloon. Want to thank Jamal Wilson for being with us. That was interview with Jamal presented by the Ram Zone. The Ram Zone, be sure to shop at the Ram Zone Gift Shop, the official online store for all your Rody Rams apparel. Ram Zone Gift Shop.uri.edu. Coach Barron, I know on Wednesday night, the final home game of the regular season, it'll be a sad time for the University of Rhode Island fans and certainly the community as we recognize Terry Butler, the general manager of the Ryan Center, who passed away this past Friday, a terrific person who we're all going to miss.
Well, there's no question, and, we as a team, we're going to dedicate the game to him and his memory, and, I had the guys sign a card to him and his family, and what a superstar individual, just a guy that couldn't be more classier and more courteous to help us, bring this program around. And Terry was just a fabulous individual that was there right to the end fighting the battle of cancer, and just a tremendous human being and a guy that is in our prayers and in our thoughts, and his entire family, just a special individual.
We will miss him indeed, and please keep him in your thoughts and prayers as the days go on. Time now for our insider's view of the Runnin' Rams. Joe Drago with us, the president of the Fast Break Club at the University of Rhode Island, presented by the Rhode Island Lottery. Your Rhode Island Lottery is a proud partner of URI Basketball. Be sure to play your weekly Powerball numbers and wild money drawing. Visit RILot.com for details. Joe, what's cooking as far as the Fast Break Club goes?
Hey, Steve, thank you. Fast Break Club, we've got a lot of activities going on right now. The big thing, Steve, we're working on is we've got a golf tournament coming up. Our golf outing is on June 20th at Quinnesset. It's a big event that we have every year, and it's more than a fundraiser. It's really a chance to get everyone together, fans of URI basketball, sponsors of basketball, and really get us all together and enjoy a day. It's a wonderful golf course out there, and we get a good crowd. We get about 140 people, and each year we honor a legend of URI basketball. I won't announce yet who this legend will be this year, but it's been great. We've had Jack Kraft come back. We've had Steve Chubin come back. And it really is great, a good opportunity to get former players together with the fans and sponsors. The coach helps us out quite a bit on that.
Well, I tell you, Joe does a great job at just helping us build this program. And last year we had Ronnie Rothstein, who's one of the top assistants in the NBA, and he's with the Miami Heat. Great guy. And I tell you, I spent the whole day with him, and he's just a fabulous individual. He couldn't believe, everybody coming up to him and talking with him, and all of his cronies from way back when in the 60s. And I think by the end of the day, I think he was an All-American.
You got better. He's the fourth guy behind LeBron, Dwayne Wade, Chris Bosh, and Ronnie, right?
Yeah, I think it was the Fab Four by the end of the day with Ronnie Rothstein. But he's a great guy, and we just had a great time. Quinnesset's a beautiful country club, and Joe has really helped us put it together with the entire Fast Break committee. And again, if people want to have a great time and help us, sponsor and promote the program as well as make some money, Joe's been, spearheading this, for the last number of years, and he's just a great guy and has done a great job to help us keep moving this program upward and onward.
Joe, how do people get involved, whether through for the tournament or just in general part of the Fast Break Club?
There's two ways they can get involved. They can either contact Owen Salvestrini or Kevin McGinnis, or they can contact me directly. I mean, I think most people know my email address or something, but they can more than willing to contact myself or contact the university and just show an interest to get involved. And we'd love to get people involved in whether it's helping with the golf tournament, whether it's being part of the Calvary Society, which is another big event that we put on, and a pregame meal before each game, and a chance to talk with the coaches and such. So we really try to get the the fans involved and make the experience of URI basketball very interesting for all.
Now, as far as phone number or an email address to go to for more information, I know GoRody.com will have some information on there.
Yes.
And that can lead you to Owen Savastini's number and also Kevin McGinnis.
Yes.
Any other points of contact that you want to give out? Or is GoRody.com the best?
That's the best point of contact for us.
You know, you mentioned the chance to get the chalk talk with the coaches.
Yes.
A lot of people who are season ticket holders can elevate a little bit their participation and really get some great ancillary benefits on game day. Talk about that.
It is. I mean, on game day, what we do is we meet about an hour before the game, and it is a group of people who are big fans and who have joined the Calvary Society. It gives them a chance to talk basketball, and there's basketball materials available. And Coach has done something that's wonderful, and that is he has an assistant coach come to every one of these meetings and talk about the game, talk about what the strong points of the team that we're facing, and I wouldn't say talk some of the strategy, but talk about what's going on. And it really has brought the people into the experience of it. And that's one of the big things we're trying to do is enhance the experience for our fans.
And, Coach, it's a great way for you to get to know the people more and your assistant coaches as well.
Well, you know what happens, Steve, and this is what, I mean, we're in the thick of things, and
sure.
We've brought this program around, and, you know what we're going up against with some of these programs like a St. Louis, like a Xavier, like and the things that they have, and Joe has really helped us with Thor and his whole staff, Mike LaPrey and Darryl Jasper and Kevin McGinnis, to really help us elevate this program to be one of the top-tier programs in the league. That's what we're trying to develop, and you do that in so many facets, but when you open yourself up to allow the fans and the community to get a chance to see you, be part of you, and it's all development of the student-athlete, and that's what we try to do.
Well, Joe, we want to thank you very much for all the great work that you've done over the years, continued success of the Fast Break Club. It's a wonderful organization supporting men's basketball at the University of Rhode Island and really supporting the athletic department at URI as well. And you do great stuff, and you're a big part of it.
Fabulous job, Joe.
Thank
you and Donna. And his wife, Donna, too.
It's more than me, Steve. It's everyone in the Fast Break Club.
In fact, I've got the first 2 wings. I'm putting 30 cents on the table for you, Joe. That's your commission for a job well done. I want to thank everybody for being here. Joe Drago especially. I want to thank Coach, of course, and Jamal Wilson. A couple of games in a row in the win column for the Rams. Big one coming up on Wednesday night at 7 o'clock at the Ryan Center Senior Night. Get on out there and support the Rams in a huge game against George Washington. I also want to thank Matt Swiss for being with us earlier, GoRody.com, Swiss Beach. Thank you for being here as well. We hope to see you on Wednesday night at the Ryan Center. Thanks to everybody here at Rody Joe's Saloon for hosting once again the Runnin' Rams Basketball Hour on the Beltone Hearing Aid Center's Rams Radio Network. Have a great rest of the night. We'll see you Wednesday at the Ryan Center.
This has been the Runnin' Rams Basketball Hour with Coach Jim Barron, presented by Rody Joe's Saloon, legendary food and drink, and 920 WHAJ.